Hi everyone, this is Dr.RUkmani Choudhary, and my today's topic is like having intercourse during your menstrual cycle. Is it safe, or are there any possible side effects, or what are the benefits you have while you do this during your menstrual cycle, or like what are the tips what you should follow this like normally. So you are requested to watch complete video for complete information. If you are watching first time, please like, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get notified. See, like, is it safe? The most commonest question asked that, or the most commonest query or confusion that, like, is it good or is it okay, or is it medically okay having like intercourse while you are menstruating, you are having your flow? So the answer is yeah, it is okay, it is normal, nothing to worry about until or unless you are like squeamish. You should be prepared. Otherwise, there is no medically harm if you're doing it during your periods. Or libido changes throughout your menstrual cycle. At times it is increases during your ovulation, and at time it is increases during your bleeding menstruating time. The benefits, what benefits you can get while doing it in your bleeding time, menstruating time. The best benefit you have, that is relief in your menstrual cramp. You have your menstrual cramp during your like menstruation period. Obviously there is a pain and you have dysmenorrhea. There are female who complain that yes, they have severe menstrual pain, and that is dysmenorrhea, unbearable pain, and you even have some tablets and some pills. So in that case, this can be like all that yes, this gives you some amount of relief, some menstrual cramps. Why? See, normally during your intercourse, your uterine muscles, they contract. You have contraction during your menstruation time, your menstruation, and there's a muscular contraction to release that in innermost lining of the uterus. So for releasing that line, your uterine muscle contracts. Along that, during your intercourse, same, your uterine muscle contract. So in a way, there is a easily release of your uterine wall, like innermost that lining, and you have some amount of relief in your menstrual cramp. Second benefit is like you have shorter like bleeding flow, you have shorter your cycle. Why? See, there is an effort by uterine muscles that for relieving, for flushing out that innermost line, that uterine lining. But you, why? Because you are already getting contraction. So same way, this contraction time gets shortened, and you have your shorter, because it is already less contraction and you have a shorter periods. Is libido. Some women, they tell that they have libido like during ovulation, increased libido, and other they tell that they have libido during your menstrual. So it, in a way, it increases your libido in your headache or migraine. See, this intercourse obviously is a process in which you have like release of there is a triggering endorphin, means there is a release, and endorphin obviously known as happy hormone, and like you have joy, you have pleasure mood. So in that way you have relax in your headache and your migraine, and it is practically seen that female tell that they feel better in their headache and even in their migraine. On the other hand, some female complain that they even feel more. It varies, but mostly the women, they have the less headache and the less symptom of migraine. Natural lubricants, obviously blood act as a natural lubricant. So yes, there is no need of using any lubrication or anything. So like yes, it is again a benefit that benefits. These are the positive effect of having like intercourse during your menses. So is there any like a bad effect of having this, or risk? What risk can be there by doing this during your periods? The commonest one, like the top one, is like STD. See, there are certain viruses like HIV virus and hepatitis B viruses. They live on the blood, obviously. So there is a chance that while menstruating blood, your partner can catch the STI, sexually transmitted infection. So using protection is always suggested. Yes, obviously there is a psychological mess that blood can be there on your partner, on you see, so you can have psychologically impact, or this can be a mess. Otherwise STDs, or there is nothing, no medical like bad effect. Or the commonest myth that you cannot get pregnant while doing it during your menses. There you can get pregnant, but there are less chances. Usually you don't get pregnant, but there are chances if you are having shorter cycle, means you are having 22 days cycle, shorter cycle. And yes, obviously sperm lives like for 7 days, so there can be chances that if you ovulate again, so sperm is already there, so your egg can get fertilized. So yes, there can be chances of fertility, there can be chances of pregnancy, but use protection always. This video can help you. If you find this video knowledgeable and informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, keep watching, thank you so much.